Hello, artists. I'm Jock, and today we're going to draw something like this, or this, by using simple shapes like squares, ovals, circles, rectangles, and triangles. I'm going to show you the basics, then you can make yours however you like. The important thing is to have fun. Let's grab a piece of paper like this. And remember, don't draw on furniture or walls. Always draw on paper. Now pick out something to draw with. I'm going to use a marker and some crayons to color it. But you can use a pen, pencil, paintbrush, markers, or even your fingers. Use whatever you like. Are we ready to draw? Okay, today we're going to draw a very simple dog. Let's start by drawing an oval in the middle of your paper for the dog's body, like this. For the dog's head, let's draw a circle or oval attached to the top of your dog's body, like this. Great job! Next, let's draw our dog's eyes by drawing two ovals inside the dog's head that we just drew, like this. Awesome work! For the ears on the dog, we will draw two ovals attached to the top of the dog's head, like this. And to finish the ears, let's draw two more ovals, one inside of each of the two ovals we just drew, like this. For the dog's nose, let's draw a circle or oval in the middle of the dog's head, like this. Next, draw an oval around the nose we just drew, and a small line for the mouth, just like this. Now let's draw 3 lines on our dog's body, just like this. These will be our dog's front legs. For the front paws, let's draw 2 circles or ovals attached to the dog's body and right below the 3 lines we just drew, like this. Nice work! Okay, for the back paws, we'll draw 2 ovals on both sides of the front paws. And for the dog's claws, let's draw 2 lines on each of the paws, like this. The last step is drawing the dog's tail. Let's draw a skinny oval attached to the body oval, just like this. Wow, you did it! Your dog looks amazing. Okay, time to color your dog. Remember, you can color your dog however you like. Maybe your dog is purple with red spots, or maybe your dog is brown. Color your dog the way you want. Now it's time to show your parents and friends. Your parents can post your drawing on our Facebook page, and in our next video, we'll show some of our favorites. That's it for today's drawing lesson. We have more episodes coming where we'll draw an octopus, flowers, spaceships, and more cool things. Stop back and draw with me, Jock.